So talking about the process, this is the first code that we have written without fork commands, that how it will execute only once it will display the print, right? This is the second code that we have written, like we've executed the fork command once, so it will current process will show hello, and then the another child process we created it, and it will display hello twice. Then this is the process two code in which we have executed the fork command twice. So what will happen? It will display the hello four times, 2 raised to power 2 four times, right? Every time, first time it will execute the fork command, it will become a child process, it will execute hello. Again, it will execute, it will create two more hellos, right? So this is the third code that we have written here. We're executing fork command thrice. So, and here what we are doing simply in the code, we are trying to display the process ID of these generated process ID of these child processes that we got created with the fork command, right? So in this way, how it will be done, that we have. Okay, now let me open the terminal and display it to you that how it will look, right? So this is the way how it will look, right? So this is the way how it will look. Simply, we have compiled the code, and then we executed, compiled the code, then we executed, compiled the code, executed in the same way, compiled the process three code and executed. So this is the way how we will get the output, right? So this is the way how we will get the output, and we have seen it that we are getting the output of this 8 times hi hello, it will get printed, right? So this is how it will work, and this is the well explanation of the fork command, right?